from where you live.
Well, this dangerous heat is now moving into parts of Ohio and Kentucky, and right on the edge of that, you can see some storms that have developed today, and some of these are severe in parts of western Ohio. These are kind of moving south, and then they'll start to pivot off to the southwest, again in a ring around the heat wave. But the real core of the heat is still in Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, and Nebraska, where temperatures are at or above 100. The heat index is as high as 125. And not only yesterday, but today in parts of Iowa and also parts of Kansas. And right on that part of the heat wave, we've got a little wave of storms right here and one kind of forming up here in Wisconsin. Now, as for us, we're really capped. There's a lid on the atmosphere. Really nothing can form. But I tell you, if this can organize enough tonight and move south and then kind of back to the southwest, potential exists for this to hang on and bring a few storms tomorrow morning, though there's question about that. And it all depends on how strong that cap is. So we're going to watch this area if this can develop and if the cap can erode. Otherwise, it'll be a pretty clear night. So again, watch the blog this evening. I'll have another update on that at 11 o'clock tonight. All right, the outlook is the heat wave, of course, lasting all week. It looks like temperatures may moderate a little bit towards late in the weekend. Generally this week, 95 to about 100 degrees, heat index to 115. Again, we'll watch any storm tomorrow morning, and then a few widely scattered storms Friday and Saturday. But overall, this is a pretty dry and hot weather regime. Tonight, mainly upper 70s, very muggy, maybe a little patchy fog in places. 77 Monticello, Lafayette, only 78 degrees for the low. Down at Crawfordsville as well as West Point. And tomorrow, again, after any storm that can't hold together in the morning, it's just going to be a partly cloudy day and very hot, about 95 to 97 for the high. The heat index as high as 112. And continued hot right into midweek here. Hotter Wednesday, 95 to about 98. The 98's along I-74, 97 Lafayette and Monticello, and about 96 at Logansport. Again, the heat index well over 100 degrees. So the heat's going to hang on for several more days to come. Notice there's your 96 tomorrow, and there's your 97 Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, mostly sunny, no threat of any rain at all. Same thing for Thursday, but Friday, the pattern may start to shift a little bit. In fact, the big heat dome may start to shrink a little bit. So that may allow at least a few widely scattered storms to form Friday and Saturday. Highs still running in the upper 90s to near 100. Now, Sunday, Monday, the temperatures moderate ever slightly, still in the mid-90s. And then by the middle part of next week, we may actually drop to right around 90 or 91 degrees. So that's the good news. But the thing is, temperatures still look pretty much above normal, above the normal high of 86 right into early August. So if you average everything up really since early June around here, this has been one hot summer in the viewing area, and it really didn't show any signs of loosening the grip, if you will.
Right.
And it's dry out there, too. I've spent the weekend watering. I need to go home and do that again tonight.
Yeah, you know, there are some places that haven't had much rain at all in July, especially areas up north. So let's hope we don't have to start talking about drought after the wet weather.
On top of the heat. Okay, thanks. Kayla Martin's in the Sports Center for us tonight.